Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Simple Marketing Academy. My name is Jill, and I am your host. And today we're going to be talking about why your Facebook page isn't serving your business and why it's just not really working. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jill Fox, and I am the owner of Fox Social Media. And I have been helping small businesses, practices, brands to both market and grow online for the past 10 years now. And I am thrilled to have Simple Marketing Academy now so that I can help those really small business owners who cannot afford an agency like Fox Social Media to learn how to do this very simply and effectively and reach their ideal customers and increase their revenue. So let's get started. So Facebook has a great resource, and that is a Facebook business page. Since about 68% of American adults all have Facebook pages, it's a great resource for you to use for your business. And I can tell you, people use that to check you out. I have seen people lose business because they either don't have a Facebook page or it's not set up well, multiple reasons, which I'm about to go into. So this is a completely free and awesome resource. And again, Facebook's the most used social media platform in the country for adults. So here's the reasons that I think where most people are going wrong with this, and they're really easy to correct. So I think the top 5 reasons are: 1, the profile picture. Your profile picture needs to be your business logo, and it needs to be the same all across social media and on your website. That should never, ever change. So you want to make sure you have your logo there and it fits properly in the circle. The next thing that I see people going wrong with is the cover photo. So the cover photo, that can change. You can change that as much as you want, but it should always be related to your business. So it can be, if you're a brick and mortar store, it can be your latest sale. If you are a restaurant, maybe it's your Christmas dishes at Christmas time. It can be all different things. It can be how you help. It can be your charity work. It can tell any kind of a story about you, and you can change it. You don't have to keep it static, but just use that to look professional and tell a story about you. The next thing is your name. Simple, right? I saw a professional, a woman with a PhD who is doing some form of counseling or something. Her name was literally this scribbled out long list of letters. Like, she never changed the username and the name. You had no idea whose page that was. And that kind of surprised me. So I guess my point here is you have a username, but the username is just the tail end of the URL. So www.facebook.com/ those letters run together. Now, your name is your actual name of your business written out the way you would do that. And what I mean by that is the first letter of each word is capitalized. The spacing's appropriate. Make sure your name is on there and people can find you. Sounds simple enough, right? I think she probably just didn't know that the name and the username were 2 different things. The next thing I would tell you is that your page is incomplete. There is a lot of material and a lot of information that can go on this page. Now, not every single thing is going to apply to your business, and it's okay to leave some blank. But shockingly, I've seen pages where people don't have their business hours, constantly no business hours. That drives me crazy. Like, I just want to go in there and fix it for them. And I know it's not like they don't know their business, but they don't know Facebook, and that's the tricky part. I've seen things like no address. Now, if you're an online business and you work from home, don't put your address. But if you're a brick and mortar, you got to have your complete address, your phone number, your website, all those little details. Also, there's space for just with a short bio. There's also space for a much longer story that you can tell about your business. So that page needs to be complete. And the last thing is the content isn't relevant to what they're doing or selling or the business. So the content needs to be something that is going to be interesting, funny, inspiring, educational to your ideal clients and customers. So if all the things that are posted aren't interesting, then people aren't really going to be interested, but they're not really going to know what you do. So on Christmas, is it appropriate to say Merry Christmas? Is it appropriate to give a shout out to your community if you're a big part of it? Absolutely, 100%. And those things are amazing. Is it appropriate to share your charity work? 100%. Those things are all really important, but just make sure there's content that helps your client or your customer. Maybe you are someone that tutors second graders or something, and maybe you do something, you have a post saying, hey, these are the 3 areas that second graders get hung up a little bit and how I can help them. Or I don't know, here's 3 areas where you can help them at home. Let the parents have a win with the kids in helping with homework. I mean, there's so many different things you can do. So you want to just keep those things in mind. Your content needs to be educational, funny, inspiring, motivational, or just provide value in some way to your ideal clients and customers. Now, if you're wondering if your Facebook page is set up right, if you're wondering what you're missing, if you just don't know how to do it, I have a series of very short step-by-step videos inside a Simple Marketing Academy that will walk you through the process. They're also going to teach you how to secure it, because I've seen people get hacked on Facebook, and they're going to teach you all kinds of stuff that you need to know that you may not even think about or be thinking about right now. So I want to welcome you and invite you to click the link below in the description and to jump into Simple Marketing Academy completely free for 30 days and at least get yourself through that Facebook little section. I want to at least get you started. So let's get you in there. Let's get you started, and let's get that set up right so you can be professional, attract more of your clients and customers, and really get your marketing going on the right foot. So if you have any questions, let me know below in the comments. And once again, I'm super excited that you joined today. And if you are a small business owner, solopreneur, entrepreneur, and someone that wants to learn very simple marketing steps to increase the business that you have and just get in front of more of your ideal clients and customers, get more revenue, then make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.